a quick video about the pump here. It's a fuel pump of this Mazda and it's not working anymore. And the main problem is that the brushes stuck on the outside and don't touch the collector. So we open it up and try to free the brushes. And then it should work again. So to repair this, it's not too easy. You see here, you can open it here, but you must open on this side because here are the brushes. So you can open this, but you must open this too. So that we will do now. I have opened up the underside for looking for dirt, but you can see it's very clean. So that's not the problem here. So if you have opened it up like this, you should be able to beat it out like this. Here you have play. Now you can use the rotor as fly hammer and it should come down. Do you see? It came out. I will do this and then we will see. So it is out now and you see nothing. You see I was wrong because the problem is the collector itself. You see it? It's completely burned. So we must clean this collector that the pump functions again. So let's do this. So we're at the lathe and I use a special insert for soft material. It's very sharp. And with this we're going to clean it. And hopefully it's enough there to make it work again. So let's start. This looks very nice. Camera. The camera focused the wrong thing, sorry. But now you can see it. It looks very nice now. So we give it a bit more cleaning. And it looks very nice. This should work again. Let's install it and try it out. So now I must really carefully hit this out with this Teflon and hopefully it goes out without any damage. You see I have it there between the brushes and now I hit it really softly and hope it comes out easily. So it's out. It was not easy. One of the brushes broke off, so I soldered it together. And hopefully I can completely stuck in without falling apart. When it's falling apart, I must hit it out again. And yeah, hope the best. So it is together, and now we make a little test. Works fine. So throw it in and see if it runs. So it's together and in. Let's test it. It runs. And there comes the gas. Works. Now let's see if we can start this engine. So let's start it. So a little starter fluid, and let's try again. Oh. Oh, now it works. This one lost connected. But now? So the pump works fine. Oh,